आपका घर बहुत सुंदर है। Your house is very beautiful. Your house is very beautiful. क्या आपके पास एक पेन है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गई थी। I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. मम्मी का कॉल आया। Mom called me. Mom called me. मुझे वापस घर जाना पड़ा। I had to go back home. I had to go back home. पापा की तबीयत खराब थी। Dad wasn't feeling well. Dad wasn't feeling well. मुझे यकीन नहीं होता। I can't believe it. I can't believe it. मैंने तुमसे कोई झूठ नहीं बोला। I didn't tell you any lies. I didn't tell you any lies. मैं 6 बजे तक घर पर था। I was at home until 6. I was at home until 6. ये मेरा बड़ा भाई है। This is my elder brother. This is my elder brother. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. तुम कहाँ रह गए थे? Where were you? Where were you? तुम क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come? Why didn't you come? अपनी दवाई समय से खाया करो। Take your medicine on time. Take your medicine on time. बहुत दिनों बाद दिखाई दिए। Seen after a long time. Seen after a long time. तुम कोई भी काम ठीक से नहीं करते। You don't do any work properly. You don't do any work properly. कल तुम्हारी परीक्षा है। You have an exam tomorrow. You have an exam tomorrow. और आज तुम टीवी देख रही हो। And today you are watching TV. And today you are watching TV. क्या तुमने दोपहर का भोजन कर लिया? Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? बूंद बूंद से तालाब भर जाता है। A pond fills drop by drop. A pond fills drop by drop. पत्र डाक द्वारा भेजा गया। The letter was sent by mail. The letter was sent by mail. हम 4 बजे पार्क में घूम रहे थे। We were at the park at 4 p.m. We were at the park at 4 p.m. मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं है। I don't have much money. I don't have much money. इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। I have no involvement in this. I have no involvement in this. मुझे ये घर भी खाली करना है। I will have to vacate this house too. I will have to vacate this house too. मैंने अपना घर खरीद लिया है। I have bought my house. I have bought my house. आप मेरे घर जरूर आइएगा। You must come to my house. You must come to my house. खुदा के वास्ते हमें छोड़ दो। For God's sake, leave us. For God's sake, leave us. मैं आपकी हमेशा एहसानमंद रहूंगी। I will always be grateful to you. I will always be grateful to you. मोबाइल पर गेम खेलना बंद करो। Stop playing games on your mobile. Stop playing games on your mobile. ज्यादा मोबाइल मत चलाओ। Don't use your mobile too much. Don't use your mobile too much. आप मेरे पास कब आओगे? When will you come to me? When will you come to me? मम्मी आपको बहुत याद करती है। Mom misses you a lot. Mom misses you a lot. क्या आप मुझे अपना पेन दे सकते हैं? Can you give me your pen? Can you give me your pen? आपका घर ढूंढने में मुझे एक दिन लग गया। It took me a one day to find your house. It took me a one day to find your house. मुझे नीचे देखने पर चक्कर आते हैं। I feel dizzy when I look down. I feel dizzy when I look down. तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए। You should go to the doctor. You should go to the doctor. डॉक्टर ने मुझे आराम करने के लिए बोला है। The doctor suggested me to rest. The doctor suggested me to rest. तुम्हें मेरी बात माननी चाहिए थी। You should have listened to me. You should have listened to me. मैं तुम्हारी भलाई के लिए ही बोल रहा था। I was only talking for your well-being. I was only talking for your well-being. मेरा भाई मुझे बहुत प्यार करता है। My brother loves me a lot. My brother loves me a lot. ये फल 10 रुपए किलो बिक रहा है। This fruit is being sold for 10 rupees kg. This fruit is being sold for 10 rupees kg. फल वाले ने मुझे 20 रुपए किलो लगाया। The fruit vendor charged me 20 rupees a kg. The fruit vendor charged me 20 rupees a kg. खाना भी ठंडा हो गया था। The food had also become cold. The food had also become cold. फिर मैं बिना खाना खाए ही सो गया। Then I fell asleep without eating. Then I fell asleep without eating. मेरे मना करने के बावजूद तुम वहां क्यों गए थे? Despite my refusal, why did you go there? Despite my refusal, why did you go there? परसों मेरे घर का मुहूर्त है। The day after tomorrow is the auspicious time of my house. The day after tomorrow is the auspicious time of my house. ये एक सुनी सुनाई बात है। This is only hearsay. This is only hearsay. वह हमारा इकलौता बेटा है। He is our only son. He is our only son. कोई राम आपको खोज रहा है। A Ram is searching for you. A Ram is searching for you. गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? मैं तुम्हारे व्यवहार से खुश नहीं हूं। I am not happy with your behavior. I am not happy with your behavior. पत्ते पेड़ से गिर रहे हैं। Leaves are falling from the tree. Leaves are falling from the tree. आपको कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा. You will have to do something. You will have to do something. उसे तुम क्या पापा भी नहीं रोक सकते. Even your father can't stop him. Even your father can't stop him. मुझे शांति से सो जाने दो. Let me sleep peacefully. Let me sleep peacefully. उसे मारा जा रहा था. He was being beaten. He was being beaten. मैं गिरते गिरते बचा. I saved myself from falling. I saved myself from falling. मैं शादी वादी नहीं करने वाला हूँ. I'm not gonna marry. I'm not gonna marry. ये तो एकदम चौंकाने वाली बात है. This is absolutely shocking. This is absolutely shocking. उसे मारा जा रहा है. He is being killed. He is being killed. बस वैसे ही. Just like that. Just like that. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? क्या हालचाल है? What's up? What's up? कब आना है? When to come? When to come? उन्हें आने दो. Let them come. Let them come. तुम तो रहने ही दो. You just let it be. You just let it be. मेरा मतलब I mean मुझे हल्का बुखार है. I have a mild fever. I have a mild fever. मुझे लगता है. I think so. I think so. क्या तुम वहां जाओगे? Will you go there? Will you go there? देर हो रही है. It is getting late. It is getting late. दरवाजा खोलो. Open the door. Open the door. क्या हो रहा है? What is happening? What is happening? क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Do you know? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? वो क्या है? What is that? What is that? मैंने इसे नहीं देखा. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. उसे सब कुछ बताओ. Tell him everything. Tell him everything. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. वह मेरा भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. वो मेरे पापा हैं. He is my father. He is my father. मुझे कुछ चाहिए. I want something. I want something. मुझे बात करनी है. I want to talk. I want to talk. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. तुम गिर जाओगे. You will fall down. You will fall down. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? ये वाला कैसा रहेगा? How about this one? How about this one?